In today's video, I am going to be removing this contact paper from my countertop that I installed earlier last year. So once I removed it, it did leave a adhesive on the countertop, and I'll show you how I remove that. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I focus on budget-friendly content. I do a lot of do-it-yourself projects in order to save money because I am on a debt-free journey. And if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I am buying my home, but I did not want to make any permanent changes to the countertops. So I tried this contact paper, and it worked out well. I didn't have any problem with it. So I was ready to go ahead and take it off. So this is a great option for someone who's renting, or someone like me who's undecided about what changes you want to make. So I'll let you know at the end if I would do this again after I have to go through the task of removing the adhesive. So it's nice and sticky. And so I was looking for my Goo Gone, the adhesive remover, but I couldn't find it. So I used some hot water and Dawn dish detergent and this sponge with the scrub on the, I used the scrubber side of the sponge. And I found this goof off oil and grease degreaser. So I put that on the countertop to see if it will remove the adhesive, and it removed some of it, but it wasn't as good as what I needed. So you'll see me where I'll go ahead and use it, but I'll later have to come back with the Goo Gone after I had to go purchase another bottle because I couldn't find mine. So now I have my Goo Gone, and it is great at removing adhesive. I picked this little small bottle up from the Dollar Tree. So I got some Dawn dish detergent on my sponge, and it works great. So would I apply contact paper to the countertops again? No, because I had to do a lot of work to get all of this adhesive off of my countertops, which you will see here. And then after I used the Goo Gone, it left a film, so I had to use some spray away foam window cleaner to remove that. So this was not worth me saving money by putting contact paper on my countertops, and I will not do this again. That's just my own opinion. But if I was renting, I may. But being that I'm purchasing my home, I wouldn't go through all the trouble of putting contact paper on the countertop again. This is just a lesson learned for me. So I'm going to keep working on this, and you'll see where I can get all the adhesive off, but then the Goo Gone left a film. So if this video brought any value to you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for tuning in.